Ever wanted to make your emails look more professional and interactive? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add a website link to an email in Gmail the right way, so your messages not only look cleaner, but also help your recipients take action instantly. Let's get started. First, open Gmail and click the Compose button. You'll find it in the top left corner of your Gmail dashboard. This opens a new message window where you can start writing your email. Now, in the message box, type the text you want to turn into a link. For example, something like visit our website or check out this article. Try to keep the text short and clear so the reader knows it's clickable. Once you've typed your phrase, highlight the text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Highlighting tells Gmail exactly which part of your text should become a link. Next, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window and click the link icon. It looks like a small chain link or globe. When you click it, a box will appear asking for a URL. Now, simply paste the website link you want to share into the box. Make sure it begins with HTTP or HTTPS so Gmail recognizes it as a valid link. Before applying, it's a smart move to test your link in a browser to ensure it works correctly. After that, click Apply. You'll notice your selected text changes color and may be underlined. That's your new clickable link. Finally, before sending your email, always double check it or send yourself a quick test message. Make sure the link works and everything looks clean and professional. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a website link to an email in Gmail. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in how your emails are received. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, make sure to check out more of my tutorials for quick, practical digital tips.